Have you ever noticed that whenever you feel tired or sleepy or mentally drained, then boom, a yawn escapes even before you think about it? Or sometimes when the next person sitting across you yawns and suddenly your jaw drops as if you've been invited to a ceremony and then you can't stop yourself from yawning as well. Now, here's the fascinating truth behind that simple thing called yawning. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your favorite Dr. Usu Jr. and I'm back again with yet another interesting episode of Weird Medical Facts. Now, when fatigue hits, your brain slows down and then it senses the reduction in alertness. Instantly, it triggers a reflex, the yawning reflex. So your jaw drops, your chest expands, you suck in a large gulp of oxygen. And this oxygen-rich blood gets to the brain. It's almost like a splash of cold water on your brain. Instantly, there's a quick reboot, like a micro jump start, mission accomplished. This is why you yawn when you are tired or feeling sleepy. But this isn't the creepy part yet. You can still yawn even when you are not tired, just because someone else yawned. This is called a contagious yawn. Now, there are two well-studied theories that explains this phenomenon of contagious yawning. The first one is what we call the physiologic copycat theory. It's actually a mirror neuron system. In monkeys, a neuron called the mirror neuron was, identified, which will fire up or show activity when the monkey does something. And that same neuron will also fire up when the monkey sees another monkey or an individual do that same thing that it did. And from imaging studies in humans, we've realized that we also have such a similar mechanism. There are certain areas in our brain that will fire up when we do something, and then it fires up when we see someone do that same thing. And so this is